Yo, Dre, I've got something to say. Please excuse me. We're going to talk about Ahmaud Arbery trial today and trying to get justice for Ahmaud's family. And trial is going on right now on day one. And we're going to talk about how from the moment Ahmaud Arbery was jogging down that street and a 911 call was made that said there's a black man running down the street to today, and the fight for justice ahead in the legal system, that justice does go through systemic racism. Systemic racism is real. They're airing it live on TV right now, and it was there all along. This case, like I said, started with Ahmaud going for a jog. It'll be 2 years in February. There wasn't an arrest made for the 3 men that were arrested in a hate crime murder. This is a modern day lynching that no matter how many times we take away that street justice, a lynching is judge, jury, and executioner happening. Don't need a legal system. Citizens arrest there in Georgia. Well, they were getting away with it, and getting arrested doesn't keep them from getting away with it because our legal system still participates in modern day lynchings. And a lot of the decisions that are being made are that. So the 911 call is made from Travis McMichael, black man running down the street, and then from there it goes. Grab your gun. He and his father jump in their pickup truck. A third man is involved, videoing it. They were chasing him down like a feral hog, like game. They were videoing it because it was sport to them. And there's previous social media posts about other killings that Travis McMichael bragged about. But of course, this is a trial for this day. Took 274 days for someone to get arrested. And let's be clear about why they were arrested. Because the police, who when they arrived, body cam has come out from that, Ahmaud's body was still moving. And they didn't even pay it any attention to. In the video, you can see his body stop moving. They weren't going to arrest those guys. They were with that story all along. Self-defense. That's systemic racism, when you can claim self-defense after hunting somebody down. You know our video? Do you know that parts of Ahmaud Arbery's clothes were found on his truck? So they weren't arrested, even though all these prosecutors, all these cops had seen the video. Let's make it clear that they were arrested because we saw the video. You, me, the world. Everybody was enraged. This was before George Floyd, same month. And even after that video went viral all over the world, it took another 2 days for them to arrest those boys, those monsters. Former cop, Confederate flag license plates. One of the defendants made a statement to police that Travis McMichael looked over the body and said, fucking the word. So people trying to say race isn't on trial here, go down to the city of Brunswick, Georgia. You have one house that'll say, I run with Maud, and another house has the Confederate flag. And they're not waving that Confederate flag because they believe in states' rights. You know why they're waving it. So now, jury has been set, and we're supposed to be tried by a group of our peers. Well, of the 16 jurors, 12 seated, 4 alternates, there's one black man. 1 out of 16. What's the racial makeup of Brunswick, Georgia? It's over 50% black, 55% black. The county, Glenn County, Georgia, is 1/4 black. And there's one black man on the jury. What is in the jury? A bunch of Karens. 8 white women. I wonder what white women are like in Georgia. Oh, I remember that Kelly Loeffler who ran for Senate. Oh, and there's that Marjorie Taylor Greene. Well, this is, I guess, the good people of Georgia that are representing. But we have 8 white women there in the jury. And Ahmaud's family knows the same evidence that you and I do. It was on video. We see it happen. I have a hard time even going over the specifics as that young man fought for his life. It's going to be hard. It's the same system that wouldn't arrest them. Now we're trying to get a conviction for murder. When the cops found no reason to arrest him, prosecutors found no reason to try him, indict him, charge him. Today in court, for the first day of the trial, Ahmaud Arbery's mother saw the video for the first time. It's taken over 18 months. I didn't think she was ever going to see it. I've become close with a lot of people down there in Brunswick. It's quite a community. Ahmaud Arbery was well-respected young man. That smile of his that you see all over the place is infectious. So systemic racism, the system within the legal system of jury selection that selects only one black man. And the legal system is under our criminal injustice system, which is under another big system, white supremacy fueled capitalism. To Ahmaud's family, to all the people of South Georgia, all the people of Georgia, before they arrested them, I was on my way to Georgia myself. I was ready to do a citizen's arrest. We could have brought him justice to some of my brothers and sisters in South Atlanta. About ready. I know plenty of people in Brunswick that were ready. Right now, my heart's with justice, and that we can do good in this trial. We're going to seek justice, and hopefully we can get it. And those monsters will hopefully not be back out on the streets. And the whole world's watching. Let's get some change. Yo, Dre, got something to say.